Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Walmart app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out of the Walmart app. Maybe it's bugging, maybe it's not working correctly. How do you actually go ahead and sign out of the Walmart app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart grocery app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and then click on Sign Out. Once you do so, it's going to sign you out of the Walmart grocery app, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Walmart grocery app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.